blood typing, we have arrived at a very crucial juncture. So just to review, we know that the blood RBCs have antigens on this surface. The antigens could be either A or B antigen. That's what we learned first. However, those antigens could also be D, right? So they're also called as Rh factor, the D antigens. So either Rh positive or Rh negative blood types will refer to either the D antigen present or absent. Key thing to remember, only sensitized Rh negative blood, meaning if a person does not have the D antigen, right? If it does not have the D antigen, it will automatically not have these antibodies. For A and B, you already come pre-packaged, you have the antibodies. For the D blood type, which is called as Rh, you have to be sensitized to it, meaning you have to be exposed to the antigen to get the antibodies. That's why it's not clubbed together with AB, right? That's why it's not in this category, because it is not present at birth. The people with the lack of the D antibodies will not have the in the plasma, they will not have the antibody for it. Okay, so that is what is called as the Rh factor. This becomes critical for the hemolytic disease of the newborn, which is really a type of anemia. So what happens for the anemia is the mother, and then that's why I was talking about knowing the blood group. So if the mother is, say, negative blood type, that means does not have the D antigen in her blood. First pregnancy, if the child carries a positive blood group, that means at the placenta the transfer of antibodies can happen. Placenta is a very, very thin layer, so the blood transfer can happen. So at that point, the mother's blood is now sensitized and it carries the D antibodies. Okay, so far no problem. The first pregnancy goes normal because the mother's blood is just sensitized, nothing else. When the second pregnancy happens in the similar condition, meaning the second child also has a positive blood, Rh positive, in that case the antibodies from the mother's blood is going to attack the RBCs of the child, leading to severe anemia, hemolytic anemia for the child, which can lead to brain damage, cerebral palsy, and all other kinds of diseases and complications.